Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1762, buildings with an ocean view. The way we are solving this problem is by actually traversing the area that's given to us from right. So if you look at this particular area, we know that the ocean is to the right. So to be able to view the ocean, everything to your right, if there are buildings to your right, should be at a height that's less than your height. So basically, if you keep moving from the right, you should be able to solve the problem. Um, I don't think the difficulty level makes sense here. It's stated as medium, but I think it's a pretty simple problem. So let's jump right in. So let's first create a list of integers, and let's call it list is equal to new array list. And the reason why we have that array list is because that's where you'll be storing the indices of all the buildings that do have an ocean view. And currently, because we don't know the size of the number of buildings that we will be adding to the resulting int array that needs to be returned, that's the reason why we just initialize list. And the next thing we do is just iterate through the array from the right. So let's just get the height first. So let's get it as heights dot length, and since we're iterating from the right, so it'd be int I will be equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, decrement I. We also need a maximum that we've seen so far, so let's initialize that to integer.min value for now. Right, and then if the height of the current building, if it is greater than max, that means everything that we have seen previously is smaller than the current building. So you just initialize the max, reassign the value of max to the current value that we have, and you just add that to the list that you need to return. So it'd be list.add 0 and I. So the reason why you're adding it at 0 is because you need to return the list in ascending order. So because you're moving from the right, all of your indices will decrease. And if you add it at the 0th index, you know you're maintaining that order. So once this for loop is done, all you need to do is actually convert the list to an array and return it back. There are multiple ways of doing this, but I think the one-liner would be use the stream and then map to end. I hope that's how you do it. I gets mapped to I dot to array. Okay, let's try compiling this and see if it's okay. Okay, so the first case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity of the entire solution. The space complexity of the entire solution is of n, since we are using a list to store the indices that need to be returned. The space complexity, the time complexity is of n, since we are iterating through all of the values in the array. Awesome. If you have any questions about this problem, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would really appreciate that. It definitely keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.